Welcome to another video of On the Farm. Trying to get everything all set up because we've got temperatures coming in by, today is Monday, and Thursday they're calling for a nice low of 30 below. So today I'm putting in some extra hay to get them through 3 or 4 days anyways. And they got a couple silage bales. So let's go see how they're doing. I see Pygmy. There's Ladybug. What do you think, Ladybug? Is the hay any good? You gonna check them all out? Yeah. And there's Sparky Jr. Sparky. Well, get in there. Get some hay. You gonna get some hay or not? Yeah, they don't waste too much. You know, this is all that's left of where I peeled it off the wagon. Sparky. Yeah. What are you doing, sweetheart? Yeah. Did you get some silage bales? How about you, Coco and Gertie? Oh, there's a little pieball. Yeah. Be nice. Huh. You're a good girl, aren't you? Yeah. Oh, got to figure out what's going on over here, huh? I'm over here talking, so there must be some good food. Huh. There must be some good food. See, he's finding some. Yeah. Yeah, that's first cut dry hay, 5x5 bales. I feed them 8 every 4 days. So they're getting 2 bales a day, plus they're getting a silage bale. Oh, town trucks are out trying to get ahead of the snow again. As you can see, it's snowing out. So what are you doing, Sweet Pea? What are you doing, Gertie? Be nice. How you doing, lady? Did you get some? Yeah? That silage bale ain't lasting very long. How come you're over there, Coco? Huh? What you doing, Pygmy? Yeah. She's a good girl, huh? I got a couple nice heifers out of Sparky Sr. Lady, why are you hiding over there in the bushes by yourself? Are they pushing you out? Huh? Are they pushing you out, lady? There's some hay over here. No, there's some hay over here. I know you got grain, didn't you? Because the other ones were too lazy to walk up there. Yes, I see you in there. That Dexter heifer with the horns. What are you doing, Daisy? Huh? Have I got the camera on you? And there's Red, yeah. You guys aren't starving, are you? Nope, you're not starving. I was hoping to get some heifers this last time around this past year, and about 9 out of 10 of them were bulls. I mean, that makes it great for selling meat and stuff, because I'm trying to raise the herd a little bit on more heifers, bringing them in. I'll raise her up, Missy Miss there, enough to get her bred and ship her through the sale for somebody that wants to milk. Quiet bunch, aren't you? I don't hear no mooing, no nothing. Hey, Judy. How you doing? Yeah, you're a good girl, huh? You're a quiet bunch. But she's a polled Hereford. You can see how laid back she is. But a lot of the Angus, you know, like Lady's Angus. And she's pretty laid back. But you take Coco, you know, like I say, I've had her 4 years, and I bought her as a heifer. And she's been like this ever since I got her. She just... Who's pushing? Red? Yeah, are you a good girl? I'm trying to figure out what I got in my hand. Yeah, that's one of my heifers there. I raise off the farm. That's a Dexter steer. He's going to be going in the freezer. That's about as big as he'll get. I thought, when they come through the sale, I said, what the hey? I thought they were just younger Angus when I first bought them. I bought him and the one with horns, a heifer. How'd you get in there, Sweet Pea? Huh? How'd you get in there? Did you get something too? What are you doing eating silage bales? Huh? What do you think, Coco? Yeah, there's Coco. She's so good. She got to make sure where everybody is. She's afraid you're going to get her. Yeah. Careful, Gertie. Ladybug, leave him alone. What you doing, Harry? Huh? What you doing, Harry? You're over there all by yourself? Must be you got your silage, fill your silage bales. Yeah. There's Lucy. Huh, Lucy? She's a good mama. Yes, she is. Who's doing all the pushing? Huh? Well, how you doing? Yeah, you're a good boy. Well, thanks for watching. If there's something you'd like to see, or if you like what you see, drop me a comment. Let me know. I do look at them. I do answer them. And if you could take and like and subscribe, it would help our channel grow, because the algorithm for YouTube is the more people that show an interest, the more people get showed to. And I just like to show folks that don't have a farm and never been around animals, Here's your chance. I can be your guide, going around, showing each animal and, their personalities, their names. These are grass-fed. They pretty calm because I work with them every day. A lot of the bigger beef farmers, they just got cow numbers and they just kind of turn them loose and feed them. All right, so thanks for watching.